My name's Sean Eubanks. I work at Pipe Wrench Plumbing. I'm a maintenance tech here. I pretty much do different things from either maintenance calls, technician calls, no heat calls, stuff like that. Just make sure air conditioner is getting taken care of. So this is an iWave. All I'm gonna do today is install an iWave. What this does is it actually helps clean and sanitize an HVAC system in the ductwork that's connected to it. It does a few different things. It kills mold, it kills bacteria. It even gets rid of stuff like pet dander and stuff like that. If you have really bad allergies, it helps with your allergies. It's just a miracle product in all reality when it comes to health. So it helps with your health in all aspects. It's even proven to kill COVID. So it's a really good product. So now I already got the panel off and we're gonna go ahead and install it. So I'm just gonna take it out of the box. The good thing about these products is they have a really heavy duty magnet on the back. So we do have to screw it in place, but the magnets will make sure it doesn't move anywhere as well. So I just put it inside the blower cabinet. This is your blower motor, just so it's actually in the way of the airstream, so it actually gets in your airflow. And then these two wires right here are just the power wires. So we just feed them through into the cabinet. We can make sure it gets supplied with power. Beautiful things about these, that on-off switch makes life a lot easier. So all I'm doing now is wire it into the power. Just right here is all it goes to. So it goes into main voltage power. And the last thing we need to do is just attach the grounding wire. We'll cut the power on. And you just attach your grounding wire to your grounding screw. And you just add some power and you have some clean air. Boom. So today we installed an iWave. Pretty much the best thing about an iWave is it keeps the home, the unit, and the customer healthy. It keeps your home healthy. The best thing about Tennessee, and also the worst thing, is the amount of rain we get. Moisture in a system can cause mold really easily. It's an easy, good way to make sure you don't have mold, bacteria, or anything like that that can damage your health in your home. It's a very inexpensive and long-term solution. And here at Pipe Wrench, we just want to make sure you're taken care of.